are the benefits of industrial IoT for the refinery of the future?
So industrial IoT, the benefits here at Texmark are increased worker safety, and that includes accountability, being able to know where people are in the plant. More efficient operations. So, for example, with sensor pump, being able to have real-time data, our millwright, the individual who works with the pump, doesn't have to physically check every single pump. He is able to know what pumps are in critical phase right now. A third one would be safety and security. So, for example, with the IIoT use case of video as a sensor, which is being handled by Intel and other ecosystem partners, to be able to look at our perimeter and to be able to have an assessment of who is trying to get in, or we have a problem here with coyotes, to be able to identify a coyote that might want to get into the plant. So those are 3 examples.
Thank you.